Hi, my name is Tracy Collins. I am the owner and founder of Virtual Bookkeeping Pro. Today, I am going to do a little small presentation about 5 easy steps for accomplishing any goal. If you follow these tips, you can celebrate your successes. So, why this guide? Making sure that your business succeeds is a series of accomplishing goals. There's long-term goals, there's short-term goals, and everything in between is important to plan and execute goals. So how can you ensure that you are succeeding at you matching your goals? Take a look at the following tips. So the first thing you're going to want to do is establish a definite date. Set your goals in reverse and set for days off. Set your goals in reverse, pick a day of completion and work backward. Example, set a goal for the end of the month and then set short-term goals for each day through the end of the month. This way, you're setting short and long-term goals. And each day, as you accomplish your short-term goals, you move one step closer to accomplishing your long-term goals. Don't forget to include personal development goals and days off. Keep a calendar. Write down your short-term goals and write down your long-term goals. Take the goal you set for the end of the month and write that goal on the last day of the month. Then write down the short-term goals for each day through the end of the month. Do one at a time. Don't cram. Avoid burnout. Do one or two things every day. Don't try to cram everything into one day. If you try to post to your blogs, post to the forums, post classified ads, participate in your groups, submit articles, etc., all in one day, you'll burn yourself out. Instead, focus on one or two things every day and cross it off. Mark an X on the calendar on the days you complete. Set a time limit. 1 to 2 hours a day. 1 to 2 tasks a day. By limiting the time you are spending and focusing on 1 or 2 tasks every day, you'll build momentum and increase your success rate. And last but not least, stick with your schedule. Switching things up too often can get in the way of your success. Don't overcomplicate things. So let me just share a little quick story. I used to have a hard time where all I would do is I was always working in my business, which means I was working on client work. I was working on any kind of bookkeeping that needed to be done, writing financial reports, etc., etc. And I realized I wasn't doing enough to work on my business. I was so busy working in my business that I wasn't getting more business. So what I started doing is now I designate a couple days a week where it's strictly just for me to work on my business. Not in it, but work on it. And that has helped me stay focused and helped me do much better with being able to reach my goals and still keep going at my client work. I want to thank you for taking this time to watch my video, and I hope that it helps to give you some information to help you reach your goals. And please, if you would like, you could visit my website at virtualbookkeepingpro.com and schedule a consult so we can help you reach your goals today.